Man. Chilling, bro. Some Chef Boyardee. Look at that Chef Boyardee, bro. Finished Chef Boyardee. Pretty nice Chef Boyardee right there. We chilling. Minnie was licking at it. She's probably over there somewhere. We chilling, bro. Waiting for my mom to come home so I can be on piano when she walks through the door. Cause we chilling, bro. Literally out here. But yeah. Sorry I didn't get much of school today because pretty much just forgot. But he was chilling over there. I'm already used to it. Not really. I'm still struggling to find classes. I have to keep looking at my schedule, but now we chilling, bro. For sure. I remembered I actually really might not be going to youth group because my mom isn't coming home. That's crazy. Yo, that is crazy. Yeah, she's not coming home, so I won't be able to play. Because she has, like, some sort of, like, music thing what's going on, but yeah, Dad will be coming home first to take Ellis to Tang Sudo, and then he might also want to take me to youth group, which is going to be annoying, but it's fine. But yeah, that's crazy, bro. I'm out here waiting for Mom to get home when she's not even going to come home, bro. Oh my goodness. Now we chill. Yeah, so now we chilling down here. It was from the banana. But yeah, I had to eat that. Dad gave it to me. He's coming home with chicken after he's done taking Ellis to Tang Sudo and doing all that. We chilling down here, waiting for this to be done updating. I think season 5 reloaded. This is season 5 reloaded. So hopefully they bring a new weapon. I saw a new map on YouTube. It's like DRC, something like that. It's like a Building 21 type themed new 6v6 multiplayer map. So yeah, we're chilling, bro. Waiting for this to be done. Gonna hop on it. Alex is on, but I think it's just his siblings. So yeah, we just chilling here. That was a chill game with Max and Alex and their friend Patrick. But Dad came home with dinner, so we just had to hop off. Said our goodbyes, but we chilling, bro. It was a good day. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the day. See you guys tomorrow. 7:47. So yeah.